Hi, I'm Douglas Schubner. I'm a top producing real estate agent here at Keller Williams Midtown Direct Realty in Maplewood, New Jersey. I've been a realtor since 2007 and I've sold houses all over the state of New Jersey, from Somerset to Asbury Park to Montclair to Ridgefield Park, Bloomfield, Glen Ridge, the Caldwells, but mostly I do my work in the towns South Orange and Maplewood, affectionately known as SOMA. I've helped many first-time home buyers, as well as seasoned buyers, navigate the buying process from getting a pre-approval, through the search, the contract negotiations, post-inspection issues, appraisals, all the way to the closing. I'm here for you every step of the way, and I have contacts to all the professionals you may need to get you to the closing. In 2013, I formed the Habitatilist Group, a full-service design studio set up to do renovation planning and home design. Since that time, we've done many projects, including whole house renovations for investors and buyers, kitchen renovations, bathroom remodels, finishing basements, and even helping homeowners decorate their spaces. Yet what separates me from the other real estate agents is my deep knowledge of houses. The experience of having torn apart and put back together again so many houses has given me a deep understanding of how our houses should function and work. And my creative team has an amazing aesthetic eye that can create a beautiful home for you on any budget. So whether you're buying a move-in ready house or a house that needs updates, I'll be able to judge the quality of work done by the previous homeowners, as well as giving you an understanding of the costs and the work involved to make home improvements. Please check out my website to learn more about me and to see some great before and after pictures of transformations my team and I have done. And you can check out my Instagram page for some more fun videos and some great pics. Oh, and check out my YouTube channel for my video, How to Buy Your Dream Home. I look forward to talking to you and helping you get started to find your home.